Welcome back. So today, the 12 days of deals at Harbor Freight are in full swing. Day one is not over yet, but it is ongoing today. So it was the Pittsburgh 3-ton rapid jack, but we're looking at day two for the deals. And so this is officially official. This is from Harbor Freight. If you're on their email list, they've emailed it to you. 40% off all Icon wrenches, torque wrenches, and breaker bars. December 13th, so tomorrow, while supplies last. So one thing to notice is they did change the picture. They used to have the picture of this breaker bar and this torque wrench, plus the pliers wrench, which I'm not sure why they switched it with a wrench set, but it is now a wrench set. And I'll pull up the old deal that was leaked on Reddit. It had this pliers wrench, but it does say any wrench, all Icon wrenches. So that's interesting, something to keep in mind. I mean, we'll look at the item of the wrenches, but let's read the fine print just to make sure we're aware of everything. So 40% off all Icon wrenches. Let's zoom in. Day two, again, all Icon wrenches, torque wrenches, breaker bars. Picture has changed. They have a wrench set here. Friday, December 13th, in store only while supplies last. Valid in store and on in-stock items only. Coupon must be presented at the time of sale. Save 40% off of all Icon wrenches, torque wrenches, and breaker bars purchased. Cannot be combined with other discounts, promotions, or prior purchases, including Inside Track Club member prices. Other restrictions may apply. That kind of like the end all be all, because they don't tell you those restrictions. So 12, 13, 24. And yeah, this was the deal of the day today. Great deal. $79.99 for this 3-ton jack with rapid pump. It says that we missed it. Technically, Harbor Freight's still open. So anyways, if you're seeing this, as soon as I release it, you have a minute to try to go get it. Tomorrow, the all Icon wrenches, torque wrenches, breaker bars. Great deal, 40% off. And then they've actually sneak peeked day 3. And I did watch the godfather of these videos, Dana Tools, and he says he has a source. And it was kind of confirmed here that they were removing this 20-ton hydraulic bottle jack. This was originally day 11. So they've included it now on day 3. So this is going to be changed again, according to Den of Tools, which he has his own source. They're switching this with the Predator generator, but at least from the official Harbor Freight coupon, there's a double deal on day 3, and they've now included the tent, which was the same, and the 20-ton hydraulic bottle jack. So if you were worried and you saw his video that it's not going to be on sale, well, it is on sale. It's actually earlier, and they're going to switch it with something else, which is pretty cool. So it'll still be available, but we'll go back to the Icon 10-inch pliers wrench. So this is currently $39.99. This is the picture they had. This is the tool they had before. And this is compared to the Knipex, which is very pricey. And so this is an affordable version of it. I don't have any experience with this tool, but for all intents and purposes, this has been a popular pliers wrench. And for 40% off, you'd get about $16 off. So you'd get it for about $23. Which would be a great deal. For me, if you really wanted this wrench, I would try to go in and say, hey, here's a wrench. The coupon clearly says all Icon wrenches. This Icon 10-inch pliers wrench is a wrench, so I would give it a shot. The worst thing they can say is no, but it's clearly listed as a wrench. But they did remove it from the picture, so that's something that is interesting. Looking at the price history for the wrench, it hasn't really gone on sale. It's been the same price since 2022. Came out at $40 essentially. They did have a coupon for it, allegedly back in October, down to $34.99. But this, of course, with the 40% off, you'd get it down to about $23, $24. So huge discount if you get it on this 40% off of this pliers wrench from Icon. Now, of course, the big savings are going to be on the torque wrenches and on the wrench sets. But I pulled up a couple of the torque wrenches. $369.99 for this 1/2-inch drive, 12.5 to 250 foot-pound professional flex head digital angle torque wrench. 40% off of this, you're saving over $100. What is that? $108. 37 times 2 more. Let's see. Let's just do the math exactly. $369.99 times 0.4. $147 off. Basically $150 off. Let's just subtract away the $369.99. So you get it for $221. Now, granted, that's still pretty pricey, but you're saving almost $150 on these flex heads, on this specific torque wrench with the flex head. And looking at the price history for this specific flex head, looks like it came out at $330. It has gone up in price about $30 in the 2 years that it's been out, and it has been down to $299 with a few coupons over the last year. Down to $299, which is still pretty good savings, but you'd be getting it for $221, so $222, so $80 essentially off from the lowest price that it's been. So a huge 40% off discount for those Icon wrenches. I would also include the pliers wrench, but I wonder if they'll actually do it, and any of the torque wrenches and wrench sets. I'll leave it at that. That was just a friendly reminder of the deal that's going on tomorrow. Harbor Freight, 40% off all Icon wrenches, torque wrenches, and breaker bars. Day 3 deal has updated. They've now included the 20-ton hydraulic bottle jack for 50% off, which is also an excellent deal. Still the tarp or the portable car canopy for $89, $55 off. So we'll keep an eye to see what the next deals are. But happy shopping, save some money, and as soon as I find some more deals, I'll send them your way.